Review hub. Brand name, ZCWA. Voltage, V220V. Power, W500-999W. Function, blow dry. Weight, 3 to 6 kilograms. Color box, 265 by 370 by 380 millimeters. Weight, 4.45 kg. Power, 450/750W. Suction, greater than or equal to 15 kilopascals. Suction water speed, big brush 400 milliliters per minute. Speed, small brush 370 milliliters per minute. Sound power noise, less than or equal to 80 dB, A. Clear water tank capacity, 1080 milliliters. Dirty water tank capacity, 800 milliliters. Cord length, about 5 meters. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more video. Check description below for product link.